Hello and welcome to Comprehensive's PlateMaster Design Tool software. In this video, we will explain the basic functions of the PlateMaster software, from designing and building your plate or rack panel to placing your order. Designing your plate or rack panel. We will start by opening the PlateMaster Design Tool software, which will open to a clean worksheet where you will design your plate. On the left side of the screen, you can see there is a selection of different categories. These are listed in alphabetical order. Colored rings, connectors, grommets, punch-outs, rack panels, switches, volume controls and knobs, and wall plates. Each category has a plus sign next to it that you can open to reveal several different types of plates, panels, connectors, and so on just by clicking the plus sign with your mouse. Since for this demonstration we will be building a wall plate, I will choose a 2-gang aluminum plate with a gold finish. Wall plates, 2-gang, standard, aluminum, gold. I will select it by clicking and holding on the description with my mouse and dragging it onto my design worksheet. On the top toolbar you will see several icons. For this purpose we will go over the more frequently used ones. New will give you a new worksheet to start. Open will allow you to open a pre-existing designed, created plate. Save allows you to save your work. Delete will allow you to delete a connector or plate. Undo, which will undo your last move or moves. The arrow, which is your selection tool. The text tool, which will allow you to add text to the plate. The insert logo tool, which allows you to insert a logo. Please note, the logo must be on file with Comprehensive before it can be added to your plate. Rotate, which allows you to rotate the connector or plate. And Zoom. These three allow you to zoom in, zoom out, or bring your work into full screen. To make it easier, I will zoom to the document and bring it full screen. I will now add my connectors the same way I added the wall plate. And an audio connector. As I add the connectors to the plate, you can see how the cost of materials increases. You will also notice to the left of the price, I can enter the quantity of these plates I need to order for my application. If you would like to add text to your plate, locate the text tool icon on the toolbar and select it. Your pointer has now become a cursor. Now all you need to do is click on the plate where you would like to add text. This will bring up a text dialog box where you may type in your text. Then choose the size of the text you would like to display and click OK. I can now go back up to my toolbar and select the pointer to position the text anywhere I would like to on the plate. Logos. If you have decided to add a logo to the plate, you must first contact PlateMasters@comprehensiveinc.com and upload your desired logo. Once we have received the logo, we can set it up for your use anytime you would like to add it to a plate or panel. We will notify you that the logo has been accepted and you may now add it to your plate. Click the picture icon in the toolbar and that will turn your pointer into a plus sign. Now click on the plate where you'd like to add the logo. This has opened an Insert Picture dialog box. Now you may browse for your logo. When you find your logo, select it and open it. At this point, you will need to click the pointer tool to size and position your logo exactly where you'd like it displayed. By grabbing any of the red markings on the outside, I can resize my logo. And by selecting the center, I can move it around. Now that I have added everything I would like to this plate, I have a detailed drawing that I can save in several file formats. These formats include CPD, which is the Comprehensive PlateMasters Design file, a PDF, which is an Adobe Acrobat file, or a CAD file, CAD, which can be viewed in an AutoCAD program. I am going to save the file as Sample Plate 1. And I will save it as a Comprehensive PlateMaster Design Tool file, CPD. If I would like a list of the parts I used to create this plate, on the bottom left-hand side of the screen there is a tab called Parts List. Once you click that tab, it will give you a list that's exportable into an MS Excel format. To do this, go to File, Export CSV, and name your file. And save. Now back to the designed program. Now that my plate is exactly how I would like it, I am going to adjust the amount that I would like to order. For this application, I need 2. Now I am ready to place my order. You may place your order directly after designing your plate by clicking the Place Order button on the toolbar, or you can open a previously designed file. Since we have this file open, we will use the open file. I am ready to place my order. I click Place Order on the toolbar, which brings up an information dialog box. This should have all my information for billing. If I would like to ship to the same address as my billing, all I need to do is click the checkbox on the top of the screen. If I would like it to go to a different address, I will uncheck or not check that box and click Next. This will also show up my billing address, which I can now change to a delivery address. Since I don't need this to go to any other address but my own, I will continue. In the upper left corner of the box, I need to select my method of delivery. I check my quantity and pricing. Now I can add my purchase order number. In order for my order to go through, I must agree to the terms and conditions. To do this, there is a checkbox in the bottom left-hand corner of your dialog box. Once that is checked, your Place Order icon is now active. I am ready to place my order. Now that I have placed my order, the software has given me a confirmation number. I will also receive an email from PlateMasters with that confirmation number. If you have open terms with Comprehensive, your order will be processed and shipped. If you do not have terms, an associate from our inside sales team will contact you for payment information. If you have any questions or are having problems with the program, please email us at platemasters@comprehensiveinc.com or by phone 1-800-526-0242.